Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to our Ghost Blogging for Beginners course. In this video, I'm just essentially going to be highlighting several of the new walkthroughs that I've added. These are predicated on some of the questions that folks either in this course or in our bundled course for building a publishing platform in 2021 have asked. And essentially, here are I've done this a little bit differently. Rather than recording videos on this, I've actually recorded these animated GIFs, whichever you prefer, to walk through the various steps that one would need to follow to accomplish the things that folks are asking about. So these are all relatively easy. For an example here, this is setting a description, right? So I cover where to do that. Here, the icon and logo. Again, these are all really, really simple things, but that it seems that people are actually, kind of struggling if you're publishing on Ghost for the first time to figure out. Here is another thing that came up a couple times, which I never even thought of, which is setting a site-wide password. In other words, password protecting your site from the public rather than what you can do on Ghost now, and this is what I've covered in the course, is password protect individual. You can gate content. You can restrict content by dint of requiring folks to actually pay for or sign up to access content. But some of you have asked about restricting an entire site using a password, so I covered that here in the walkthrough number 3, how to edit the navigational menu, which is something that is really quite important as you want to be able to set the links, as you can see here. And this is somewhat theme dependent, of course, but it's a great way. When I say it's theme dependent, different themes will display the menu in different ways, right? But in this particular theme, it's a very organized. The theme that I'm using on our Mindful Marketplace Ghost blog just allows us to promote external URLs, like our other courses, content, community, through the navigational menu. All themes should allow you to do that, but I show you actually how to do that and how to set inter site navigational links as well. And if you have any questions, again, that you'd like to see covered in the Ghost tutorials, feel free to ask, right? Just send me an email, hi@mindfulmarketplace.com. Or, of course, if you're in the community, if you're in the course community already, just ask me from within the course comments, and I'm happy to provide additional walkthroughs as well. So again, just to recap, these 4 are setting the site title and description, setting your site icon and logo, creating a site-wide password, and how to add and edit the navigational menu. And of course, there's a whole slew of other full videos like this one on doing just about everything else that I can think of that a beginner or even a fairly experienced blogger would want to accomplish on Ghost, including changing themes and setting content on restriction basis, creating a Stripe enabled membership, etc., and lots more. So if you're interested in that, you can actually access this through a link here, the whole course. Actually, there's a bundle of courses that are available that you can take that are far beyond Ghost, that cover a whole slew of different monetization and marketing strategies for authority sites, publishing platforms, etc. And of course, just before I forget to mention this, this link to this board, so you can watch all these, is going to be published on YouTube as well. So I will link to the private LMS board, so you can actually watch this for free and and see how all these steps are accomplished, even if you're not in the actual Ghost course or any of these courses here as well. All right, I'll actually have that posted on YouTube under the video. So if you have any questions, you can just access it from there, and email me or comment on the board itself. Okie doke. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and this is our Ghost for Beginners course. Thanks so much.